Hello everybody. Today we will talk about punctuation. Colon. Using a colon at the end of an independent clause focuses attention on the words following the colon. After a colon, we often write lists, appositives, and direct quotations. Use a colon to introduce a list. For example, we need the following groceries: eggs, milk, and coffee. Caution: do not use a colon to introduce a list after the verb to be, unless you need the following or as follows. Incorrect. To me, the most important things in life are colon, good health, a happy home life, and a satisfying occupation. Correct. To me, the most important things in life are good health, a happy home life, and a satisfying occupation. Correct. To me, the most important things in life are the following: colon, good health, a happy home life, and a satisfying occupation. Do not use a colon after a preposition. Use a colon only at the end of an independent clause. Incorrect. After a long day at work, I look forward to colon, enjoying a quiet dinner at home, playing with my children, and watching a little TV. Correct. After a long day at work, I look forward to enjoying a quiet dinner at home, playing with my children, and watching a little TV. Before appositives, use a colon after an independent clause to direct attention to an appositive, a word or word group that renames another word or word group. For example, he had one great love in his life: himself. A doctor has two important abilities: the ability to listen and the ability to analyze. Use a colon to introduce a quotation longer than 3 lines. This type of quote is intended on both sides, and no quotation marks are used. Before subtitles, use a colon between the main title and the subtitle of a book, article, or play. A popular book on nonverbal communication is Simonov and Potter's Intercultural Communication, a reader. The title of an article from the New York Times is Man on Mars, Dream or Reality. In expressions of time or day, use a colon between the numbers for hours and minutes when indicating the time of day. Their plane arrived at 1:40 a.m., 6 hours later. After formal salutations, use a comma after the salutation of a formal letter. For example, Dear Customer Relations, Dear Miss Smith, to whom it may concern. But in informal letters, use a comma, Dear Mom. I took this information from the book which is entitled Writing Academic English, 4th edition, The Language Lab Library. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, share it with your colleagues or friends, and remember to subscribe.